Hi and welcome, I am here today with ASUS Zenfone 8 and I'll be showing you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. First off, you have to go to your home screen and tap and hold anywhere. Just don't tap on any icons. Now from this bottom bar, choose Wallpapers. Come on. Okay. Now we can change our home screen wallpaper and our lock screen wallpaper. So we have to choose lock screen and then choose a wallpaper, for example this one, and then tap on apply. Now let's try locking our phone and unlocking, and as you can see the lock screen wallpaper has changed. So that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.